What's up, everybody? Today on Flame Fed Homestead we're going to use this guy to make some venison backstraps. Let's get started. I was going through Fleet Farm the other day and I came across this wild game seasoning. We're going to give it a try tonight on our 2024 North Dakota backstrap. The directions say, shake on all venison steaks, meats, stew meat, and ground meat, allow to stand for 1/2 hour. So here we go. All seasoned up, ready to go. Just finishing up a little weekly meal prep, and we'll get started on the venison. Meal prep chicken is done. Let's get this venison on. We got the grill preheated to 450 degrees. Set a timer for 3 minutes. All right, let's check it out. 3 minutes. All right, 4 minutes is up. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, it's looking so good. Feels like just a couple more minutes. Let's check this steak's temperature. Oh yeah, we're done. Delicious. Okay, we've had a couple minutes to rest. Let's give it a slice. Perfect medium rare. Let's give it a taste. Tender, delicious. A little bit of salt. Definitely taste the garlic. That is a good seasoning. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.